guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to put you guys in a position where you guys are able to see me with even lighting, but the lighting isn't all that great here. But the setup is a little bit different because I am going to be doing a try on haul. This is going to be a vacation edition try on haul. I am going to Aruba, as you guys should know by now because I have mentioned it in several vlogs before this. I am going to Aruba, so I wanted to go ahead and just show you guys, a couple of things that I got that I'm going to be taking with me to Aruba, and also a couple of things that I got that I may not be taking with me on this trip, but it will be following me onto my next trip because it is September, which means that, oh my god, we are about a month away from my birthday. I did not even realize that. It is September, which means that we are literally about a month away from our birthday. Wow, it's so crazy. I haven't planned anything for my birthday. I don't want to do anything for my birthday really this year, which is so odd for me, but that is not what this video is about. If you're new here, my name is Fanta. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. How are you, sis? Make sure to hit that notification bell so you are one of the first to know when I upload a new video. I upload new videos every Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, I am back on my uploading schedule, so you know your girl is here. Okay, I am here. So yeah, let's get into this haul. I hope you guys like this setup. Like I said, I have been trying different type of setups for my try on hauls to try to see which one fits best with my channel and which one you guys prefer. Leave a comment down below if you guys would like if you guys like my old, like where I sit down and then I'll show you guys clips of the outfit on, or if you like these type of setups where I'm just literally just trying on the clothes right in front of you and I'm telling you my opinion while it's on firsthand. All of these items, I have not tried them on yet. I literally have things in packages that I have not opened or tried on. I wanted you guys to get my raw, natural reaction and opinion on them without any, like, you know, time to sit and ponder or anything like that, like how I feel from jump. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the first item is a coral shimmer pant, which I feel like I'm going to have to take to the tailor's so that I can get the waist taken in. I got this in a size 6. No, a size UK 8, which is a size 6 here. And if you guys can tell, I don't know if you can, it is definitely cutting into my booty. You see this right here? It is cutting into my butt. But the thing is, if this was tighter up here, I don't know. Yeah, it's just not working. It's a little, it's much, I don't know, maybe bring it lower. But I feel like even if I bring it lower, like, damn, I needed a size 8. This is so crazy. Damn, I was really looking forward to these pants. They're so freaking cute, but they do not fit my butt. They have no stretch. This is so crazy. But what I was saying is that if I have this taken in, it helps the shape just slightly, you know. But the pants are really, really cute. I'm pretty sure you guys see the vision that I was going for here. They're doing construction in my house, near my house, and I literally have not been able to shoot a video since, but whatever. So okay, so from here on out, I will just be doing a voiceover because the construction is hating on your girl, okay? I would pair these pants with like an orange bag, orange shoes. Really simple, effortless, maybe a date night type of thing, you know, real simple. Now, the next item that we got, I'm wearing it the wrong way in the beginning, is the multi-marble print ruched blouse and the multi-marble print tie wrap skirt. I got both of these in a size 4. You guys know that Pretty Little Things is infamous for this type of skirt detailing and wrap and ruching. I really love it because I feel like it gives you curves. It is very forgiving. It gives an illusion of, like, you know, a very hourglass shape. I just feel like it's just very flattering on all body types. I love this skirt. I would wear it, pair this outfit, this set, with either a nude bag or like a cream bag, or I would even pair it with like a lavender bag, a blue bag, an orange bag, a pink bag, because we have all of those colors in this marble detailing. So you could just play off with that and then match it with some shoes, and it is definitely a look. Make sure to check the description box down below because I will be leaving the links to these items down below. The next item that we have, it is a marble print mesh under bust corset detail mid-axi dress. Oh my god, that was a tongue twister. The color of this is what really got to me. I also got this in a size 4. The color of this is what really like caught my eye. I love it. I love dresses that have ruching as well, because these type of dresses make all of your curves look bigger. It makes everything just look more, it gives an illusion of like a snatched tighter waist. You guys know that Pretty Little Things has also had a thing for this under bust detailing as well. So once again, I will pair this dress with a nude bag, a cream bag, a blue bag, any one of those. When it comes to like the mesh at the bottom, it is not that see-through. I thought that it would be. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it has a little bit of an underlining, but it is not see-through, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, the next item that I have is a sage green midi cutout skirt, something like that. I got this in a size 4. Just check the link down below. I will be putting the links in order of how I'm wearing it. This dress, I would definitely rate this probably like a 7 out of 10, just because the waist area didn't fit me so well. And for a size 4, I would have expected it to fit me so much better, but it didn't. I love that, you know, it shows a little stomach action. I've been trying to work out and work on my stomach. I need to continue on working out because now, baby, it is October. Yes, it is October, and I have been slacking, and my birthday is coming up, so your girl needs to get her stomach together. But I definitely do love the vision of this skirt. I feel like it is a very vacation night out type of dress. It does not seem like it will make me hot or anything, but you know, these dresses, these little silk satin pieces will definitely, you know, show your sweat marks, so you don't want that. But as you guys can see, I'm gonna probably most likely bring it to the tailor to just taking it back a little bit, just to tighten up around my waist area, maybe a little bit around the booty area, like the hips, just so that this like ruching on the side can actually take effect all the way across. Pair it with like a beige cream bag like what I have, with some cream shoes, maybe some tan shoes, or you could like color block with like a cute color, and you got yourself a fit. This next one is a orange woven cinched puff long sleeve tie front bralette. Oh my goodness. And the matching skirt, because I'm not doing all of that, okay? Like I said, check the links down below. This is my favorite fit, okay? This is definitely the fit that I was looking forward to. I got both of these in a size 4. Again, the top is a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but this was definitely like my favorite fit. Like, this is how I expected the satin fit to fit me, but it didn't. Once again, a cream bag, you know, it's not really much to say about it. I feel like the outfit speaks for itself. It's definitely giving vacation. Like, you know, it's making the booty look good and everything, okay? So the next item is a sage green printed satin side split mid-axi skirt and the matching tie front blouse. I got the skirt in a size 6 and I got the top in a size 4. I should have got the skirt in a size 4 because the skirt is also big around the waist. The reason why I got it in a size 6 is just because I didn't know if I was going to have enough room to get it over my butt, because in the picture I couldn't tell if it had a zipper or not, or if I had to just slide it up. So I will also have to be taking this to the tailor for them to take that in. But as you guys can see, it kind of has like a wooden type of like tree bark type of print. It's really cute. It's really cute. I can wear it like this as well. I don't have to take it in, but I just feel like it would be more flattering on my body shape if I was to take it in. It's still dancing approved. You see, I could still twerk a little beat and not show anything. And as you guys can also see, it's a little see-through. So keep that in mind. All right, for this one, I'm gonna come back with voice, okay? Because they stopped construction for a little bit. Okay, I know when you guys see this, y'all like, Fanta, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is not it, right? This is not a look. I'm telling you like what I imagine, what I envision this to be. It is definitely a look. It's one of those like relaxed, chilled type of, I don't know, this is kind of cut a little weird. It didn't look the way that, it didn't look like that like on the site. But I'm telling y'all, like, this is a look, okay? You put this orange bag with this, some orange shoes, some orange heels. Baby, this is a look. If I can get like a cute belt or something, like imagine, boom, right? I'm chilling, I'm sitting, just chilling, right? Picture, boom. Boom, with orange heels, bruh. Orange heels. This is a look. I know it doesn't look like one, but this is definitely a look. It's comfortable. If we end up like going for like lunch or something like that, I could wear this. If I'm going out to eat and I don't want to dress up and I just want to be comfy, I could wear this because it's very, very comfortable. It is definitely something that I would keep. I just wish that the cut was a little bit different. I don't know if it's because of my booty. I don't know. But this is just cut weird. Look. Like, it's cut really freaking weird, y'all. But I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. I'm thinking of if I should add a belt. But like posing wise, you can always hide this. It's just cut really weird here. I don't know what they was doing with this. They should have just kept it. I guess they was trying to give it body, but it just didn't do that. I don't know. But when you're posing, you know, hold your bag here. Do one of these. It would easily hide the waist here. As you guys can see, like the waist is a little weird. You do one of these, it hides the waist. It hides the waist, okay? Orange heels, orange sandals, orange whatever is definitely a look. Okay, on to the next. Okay, so this next one, I am very surprised that it looked this good, because when I saw it on the model, I was like, I don't know if it's gonna look like this on me. But when I put it on, I was like, oh my god, this is such a vibe. This is the light gray wide leg woven pleated detail pants in a size 4, and the matching under bust V-bar long sleeve crop top, also in a size 4. It is just such a vibe. It just fits so nice. Like, it shows skin, but not too much, but still show skin, you know. Like, I love the way the pants fit. I just love the whole entire vibe of this whole entire outfit. It's not something that I would wear on the daily, so I definitely do feel like it's like a vacation type of thing, because I wouldn't wear this out. I feel like it's too much titty to be out. When I'm showing this much titty, I'm on vacation. I am not showing this much titty in New York City. Hey, I'm a rapper. But yes, this is definitely a vibe. It was so freaking cute. I love it. I didn't get to wear it this past vacation, but I'm definitely gonna be wearing it on my birthday vacation because it's a vibe. Okay, period. And pairing it with some braids is definitely a look. I don't know how this will look with like free out hair, but baby, it's a look. Okay, so now we are on to our FashionNova pieces. I had to switch up my setup because my camera died. Now, this dress is called the Vibes Ruched Mini Dress. I have not bought from FashionNova in a while for personal reasons, which I won't get into in this video. But baby, this is definitely giving vibes, okay? This is my favorite dress that I think I've ever purchased from FashionNova. I have not purchased from them or even looked on their site in forever, but it is such a vibe. The colors is giving vacation. I wish I really got a cute picture in this on vacation, but it's just like a vibe, you see? Like, it's giving me Jamaica. The next one is the on top one shoulder maxi dress. I love this because I feel like it's sexy, but it doesn't show too much. Like, it's not showing no cleavage. It's showing the right amount of leg. It just flatters the body very well. You guys already, I think you guys can understand that I like to go for dresses that has ruching. It just makes everything look better. Like, you guys see it for yourselves. It makes everything look better. It is a very stretchy, loose material. I just feel like it's very flattering. And these links will be down below as well, but I believe both of the dresses were about $28. And yeah. All right, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please excuse the fact that I started off the video with talking and stopped talking. There's construction by my house and literally it's just so much noise, and I believe I had to like record like one other part separately because my camera cut off and I didn't even realize that it cut off, so I had to record that second part later on in the day. So if the lighting is a little bit off, I apologize, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below which one is your favorite outfit. Which one do you think that I'm gonna slay in? Which one did you not believe in, and then when you seen it on me, you're like, oh, okay. I probably wouldn't have picked that up if I just seen it online, but seeing it on you makes me want to get it. Yeah, I need to hurry up and get out of here because I need to get my PCR test for my trip. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Like guns with the aching, getting under my skin. Pretty little